Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with stockmarketmentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at TREX, that's ticker TREX. But first off, really want to start here with the home builders. We've had a lot in terms of narrative when it comes to hard landing and soft landing. But if you just look at the home builders haven't really been worried about anything since October. It's just kind of gone up. We've had these whoopity doos under the major moving averages, but they're brought back up, and now we're above all these moving averages as we, lean into what could be some rate cuts down the road. And so definitely want to bring your attention to home builders. And tonight, look at TREX. Now, Trex is a decking company. If you're building a home, might want to build a Trex deck. We have one in the backyard. It's great. But that's not why the stock should go up. But what I like about this stock is the fact that it looks a lot like the home builder. So you can kind of, look at XHB and then kind of bring your analysis into Trex here and kind of look for the same things. So what I want to see from Trex is a move above this clear resistance level. I have an early alert on this right around 84.10, and I want to see a move through 84.10 coming on higher than average volume. Now, I really want that volume to come into the stock and really prove to me that it's ready to break out, because a lot of times you can get a false breakout signal if you don't have good volume behind it. So it's not mandatory, but it just really kind of increases the probability that a stock is going to hold that move higher. So keep an eye on Trex. I'm watching for a breakthrough 84.10 coming on volume. And just a reminder, they do have earnings, but not till the end of February, so there's still time. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and definitely check out what we're up to at stockmarketmentor.com. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side. Catch you next time.